It's no secret that passive income is highly debatable. Some people say it's real, some people say it doesn't exist. But in this video, I'm going to share with you how I make around $17,523 every month in passive income with these 5 income streams. Really quickly though, what is passive income? Because again, it's highly debated. A lot of people think in order for it to be passive income, it has to be money you make with no effort at all, no work. And I would beg to say that that doesn't exist. In fact, if you look up the definition of passive income, it says that it is work to get started with minimal effort to maintain. And that is exactly what passive income is to me. It is consistent income. It is work up front, but then it becomes less work as time goes on. You build up those assets so that you can bring in those consistent, repetitive sales. Okay, income stream number 1 is MRR, aka monthly recurring revenue, from my membership, Freedom Creator Club. Freedom Creator Club is my monthly membership that helps my members grow their own successful YouTube channels and then sell their very own digital products for consistent passive income. Now, there are a lot of different digital products out there. In fact, I have a full free list of all 54 different types of digital products that you can download in one of the links below for free. And I have done hundreds of different digital products over the years. I've done courses, I've done templates, I've done printables, I've done mini courses, I've done memberships, I've done high ticket, I have done pretty much every single type of digital product you can think of, which I wouldn't recommend, but it does come in handy now that I teach about it. But the reason I chose a membership as the format to teach about Freedom Creator Club is because I knew that this was something that people would need help with potentially long term. For example, growing a following on YouTube. It's not like you grow a following on YouTube and one day you're like, well, I'm done. It's something you need to be continually learning about and keeping up on what's working to date to keep growing. Same thing with selling digital products. It's not like you're like, well, I sold my digital product, now I'm done. Like you want to keep making sales. You want to keep growing your business potentially, right? And so I wanted to create a membership so that people could stay in as long as they wanted continuous help. So let's say they wanted to just come in for a month, learn something and leave. That's totally cool. But let's say they wanted support ongoing for years of running their business, years of growing on YouTube. And that is cool too, because a lot of times business ownership can feel very lonely. So I wanted to create a program that would be with you every step of the way and also would come with a community so that you wouldn't feel alone, so that you would feel supported and have a roadmap to follow step by step to reach your goals. The other reason I chose a membership is because of what I mentioned earlier, MRR, monthly recurring revenue. So with a course, typically people they pay one time and they have access to that course, right? With a membership, you have access for as long as you pay. So if you sign up monthly, that means you have access to everything as long as you are currently a member. So you will pay every single month until you decide, I've had enough, I'm going to cancel, right? We also have a yearly tier. So people will pay yearly. They'll save 50% and they can pay every single year that they want to stay in. And whenever they feel like they're done, then they can cancel and be done with it. And having this MRR, this monthly recurring revenue, is a huge benefit to my business. So not only does it make my program very affordable to my students, we start at just $59 a month. So this makes it so that I'm able to charge a low, what I find to be affordable price for this program. And it also helps my business because we have that MRR to rely on. We know, we have this many set members every single month who are going to renew. So we don't start every single month in my business at zero, because that can be really stressful. I love online courses. I've made millions of dollars from online courses. I've sold lots of online courses. But the reason I chose to do a membership model is because with courses, you're essentially starting every single month at zero, because people just pay once, they get access and that's it. Or they might do a payment plan, but once the payment plan is paid, then, that's it. And so you're not continually getting paid every single month to run that program, so to speak. You have to really rely on new sales, which I love getting new sales for my membership as well. But it's also really nice knowing, hey, if something happened and we made no new sales that month, we would still make enough money in recurring payments to keep the business running. And if you want to learn my entire process for discovering your own digital product to sell, how to grow your own following, learn about my Freedom Framework so that you can do this too, along with my scripts and templates, then go ahead now, click the first link in the description below this video, and you can watch my totally free on-demand training. Okay, my next income stream is affiliate sales. Now, I really have three main businesses that I affiliate for. Number one is System.io. Number two is Spotter Studio. And number three is Skool. I joke about this, but apparently your company needs to start with an S for me to affiliate it. Now, the reason I affiliate these things is simply because I already was using them. I already love them. And these people were like, hey, we have an affiliate program. So if you want to mention this to people and they sign up, then you get a small kickback. And it's kind of like, why wouldn't I do that? Because I'm already talking about these softwares. I'm already using them. I'm already loving them. It's exactly what I recommend. So System.io is the software I use to run my entire business. Everything from sales pages, checkout pages, email marketing to my website, my blog, like it literally runs everything. And I do have a link below. Yes, it's an affiliate link, but you can get your own totally free account, not a free trial, a free account. And you're probably wondering, well, how do you make money on that if it's free? I don't. The only way I make money is if you decide to upgrade, which you don't need to. The free account comes with up to 2,000 email subscribers. But once you start making sales and getting email subscribers, then you might want to upgrade from there. And it's still incredibly affordable. They have like 4 different payment tiers. And the most expensive one is only $97 a month, which if you don't know a lot about these all-in-one softwares, that is by far the lowest price, like half the price of others in the industry. It is such a good deal. And it's a great software too, not just a great price. Now, Spotter Studio is what I use to research and come up with the titles, video topics, and thumbnails that I'm going to use for my videos. So I absolutely love this. It utilizes AI. It really speeds up the process of making my videos and doing the research. I absolutely love it. I found out about it at a YouTube conference. I've been using it ever since. And so obviously I tell anyone who will listen about it. And there is a link for that below as well. The third thing I affiliate for is called Skool. This is what I use to host my membership on. Now, I used to host my membership with System, and you still can, and I still host all of my other digital products on System. But what we did was we were hosting it on System, but we needed a community aspect, and I don't really love System's community feature, if I'm being honest, and so we used Discord, but all of my students like literally hated it. They hated it so much. And so I was like, okay, I really want to find something that's kind of like a Facebook group, but I really don't like Facebook. So I found Skool, and it's actually run by Sam Ovens, who's a previous mentor of mine. I used to be in his mastermind, and I just really like the way he thinks. I think he creates really great products. So I thought I would give it a go. It's $99 a month, which can seem steep, but not only does it allow you to run your community on it, it also comes with leaderboards where you can select prizes. And when people participate, they get to unlock these different prizes, which creates an avalanche of engagement in your community. But it also allows you to actually host the program as well. So you get to have your community, the program, and your call calendar if you do Q&A calls all in one spot. So that's the only reason why we don't host that on System, is just because I thought Skool had like a really cool all-in-one solution for my membership, and my students are absolutely loving it. We have over 85% engagement month over month inside of my Freedom Creator Club membership, which is hosted in Skool. So it's really awesome. And again, how I make money from affiliating these businesses is I simply just talk about them in my YouTube videos, because I already use them. I already love them. It's super easy. It comes naturally. I have links below. And if people decide to check those out, I think the Skool one comes with a 14-day free trial. But after that, if you upgrade, I get a small kickback. Same thing with System. It's free. But if you upgrade, I get a kickback. With Spotter Studio, that also comes with a free trial. But if you upgrade, I get a kickback. So just a lot of stuff like that. And my affiliate income right now goes anywhere from $2,000 all the way up to $7,000 a month. $7,000 is pretty rare. That's what I did in January because Spotter Studio was running a pretty big promotion, but usually it's more around $2,000 to $3,000 a month, which is pretty significant. And I don't have to do any fulfillment, no customer service. All I do is talk about the products I use and love. So it's pretty great. Okay, my next income stream is YouTube AdSense. Now, right now, this is usually between $2,000 and $3,000 a month, but in January, we did $6,300. January was a really good month for my business. Some of it was planned, some of it was a surprise. Like, I had no idea that my YouTube videos would just pop off. Like, I genuinely didn't know. They always do well, but I didn't know they would like go viral like 4 videos in a row, which was crazy. But really quickly, if you don't know what YouTube AdSense is, essentially when you're a YouTuber and you start creating videos, once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch time hours, you get to apply for and unlock what's called the YouTube Partner Program. Now, essentially how this works is no matter what, YouTube is going to run ads on your videos, right? I'm sure you've watched YouTube videos and there's ads on them, right? You hit skip, blah, blah, blah. Well, what happens is once you apply and are accepted into the YouTube Partner Program, YouTube now splits the profits from the ads it runs on your videos with you, the creator. This is by far the best creator program out there that I'm aware of. I absolutely love it. Like, I don't know anywhere else where I can make literally thousands of dollars somewhat reliably every single month just by growing my own following. Like, I would be doing YouTube even if they didn't pay me. Don't tell them that. But because I really do appreciate it, and it makes it a lot easier for me to like hire an editor, hire a thumbnail designer, hire a YouTube manager. I didn't start out that way with my channel, but now I have these people to help me, and it's so nice, and it makes it so that I can produce more videos and obviously better videos. So the YouTube Partner Program is an amazing income stream for me, and if you're not already doing it, I would highly recommend it. And if you're ready to start or grow your YouTube channel, I have taken my exact YouTube script, turned it into a template, and I've shared it with you completely for free. It is located in the link in the description below this video. Okay, my next income stream is brand deals / UGC. UGC stands for user generated content. Technically, I've only done one UGC literally one time in like August of 2022, I think it was, or 2023. But I had a brand reach out and they were like, hey, could you make a 30-second reel on this? We want to run it as an ad. And I think they paid me like $500. I don't do a ton of UGC, but if you don't have a following, it's a really good income stream. So I wanted to mention it because you don't actually need a following. You get to be a creator for brands, and then they post the content you make to their channels, or they run them as ads and they pay you. You don't even need a following to do it, which is so cool. Okay, but brand deals are one of my income streams, and we do, I would say, 1 to 3 brand deals a month, sometimes 0, sometimes 3. I don't know. It really depends. I would say out of all my different income streams for this business, brand deals are like the least reliable and the thing that we are working on the most. We actually have a management company now that finds us brand deals, but we still haven't worked out all the kinks yet. So it's definitely something that we are still working on. And it is a nice income stream just based on what I've made and other creators have made in my space, because obviously your niche matters. For about a 30 to 90 second integration into one of your YouTube videos, you can probably expect to make anywhere from 500 all the way up to like 4,000 plus per integration. It's definitely my lowest income stream right now by far, but it is something that I look forward to growing in the future. Okay, my last income stream, which is the most fun, and probably because it's the easiest, which is the stock market. So what I've done over the years since I was like 20 is the money I will make, I will talk to my financial advisor and accountant, and we will strategically put it into the stock market. It could be, just in the stock market. It could be in 401k. It could be Roth IRA. Like, there's different things. I don't know a ton about it, which is why I pay a financial advisor to do smart things with my money. But I can tell you this, I started my first business at like 19 years old with 81 cents to my name. And so I don't want you guys thinking like, oh, the only reason she invests is because she came from a rich family and they gave her money. No. Literally 81 cents, living on my grandma's couch, dropped out of school, started everything on my own from scratch. So I just want to put that out there. And I don't know that I feel comfortable sharing exactly how much money I have in the stock market and like how much it grows. But I looked, and last year, my investments made a full-time salary, which is so cool. And I know that might seem disheartening to someone watching this who maybe isn't to that spot yet. And just know that you can get there faster than you think if you have a 9-to-5 where you don't have a lot of wiggle room to earn more, and you don't have maybe a manager that you can talk to about bonuses or getting a raise or something like that. Then think about starting a side hustle. Any one of these income streams that I mentioned could make an awesome side hustle. Literally starting a YouTube channel changed my life. It could change your life, even if you have a 9-to-5. There are so many YouTubers that had full-time businesses or full-time jobs. Ali Abdaal, for example, he has 7 million subscribers on YouTube. He started as a full-time doctor, and he carved out time to grow his channel, and now he makes millions of dollars per year. And it's not just my story. It's not just his story. There are so many YouTuber stories like that. So I really, really hope that you will consider it. Now that you know the 5 income streams that make me around $17,523 per month, you might be wanting to dive into my personal favorite stream of passive income, MRR, monthly recurring revenue from memberships. But how do you do that? Well, it all starts with watching this video next here, because when you pair what you just learned with what's in this video, it's going to be way more powerful. See you in the next video.